Most robot controllers don't support splines natively, so in this example we will show how to generate a spline using Python code and import it into IRBCam. So here we see we have this Python code spline for IRBCam. We run it through Python. We see here we have this original data with the red dots, and the blue curve is the spline interpolation. By running this script, we now get this file spline.json, which we can import into IRBCam. So first we do the new station wizard. I pick a Motorman MH80 robot. Let me see. I click next. We select the tool spindle TMA4. Click next. I define the user frame at 1500 mm in X and 500 in Z. Click next. And no user defined objects, anything. Finish. Then we can go File, Import Path, select JSON, click on the three dots. In here in Downloads we have spline.json. We can have a look at that, and you see it's the same curve that we just plotted in Python. I go back to the combination view. I can go Edit Targets, select the first one, Configure Path. Here I can change the tool roll angle, like that. Configure, and play the simulation. So this example shows an easy way to create spline interpolated toolpaths for IRBCam.